Hi everybody, this is Asmita Neve Pawar. You are watching me live on Femrai. I'm an image consultant and a lingerie expert. So my journey towards being an image consultant started almost 8 to 9 years ago. And at that point of time, image consulting, image management, this industry itself was hardly 1 or 2 years old in India. The reason why I started something of my own, that too in the field of image management and image consulting, is so I had been on a family trip to Singapore. We were in a group of 30 to 40 people. We were allocated in different area, different dining area. After asking the waiter over there that, why have you allocated us a different dining area? He replied saying that because you Indians disturb our privacy. And I was like, what? Are we really so bad? Is this the global image of Indians across the world? This thought stayed with me for a longer period of time. And once I was back in India, I was just flipping through newspaper and I happened to see this ad that there is a upcoming industry by the name of image management, and that's how my journey towards image management and being an image consultant started, with the bigger picture that India ki image sudharni hai. Because we Indians are always number one when it comes to academics and intellectual things, but self-presentation and projection is something which we all really lack on, and it's high time that we work on it. After that, I started training myself. I started learning a lot of things, and then after that I started training people. Initially my journey started with being an image consultant and then followed by becoming a lingerie expert. Now the reason why I chose to become a lingerie expert was I was working with a client of mine. This was for the image consulting aspect. So according to me, I had given her all the recommendations, but still she was not looking perfect the way I wanted her to look perfect. So I was sitting and thinking, what is going wrong? Why is she not looking the way she has to look? What is it that is missing? What is missing is something which is inside. Outer wears are perfect, but if the fit of the inner wear is not correct, it is not going to give you that perfect fit. For as simple as to give you an example, if there's some construction that is going on, if the foundation of that building is not right, the end product is not going to be great. It's not going to be good than whatever amount of money you spend on the external wear. So that's how my journey towards being a lingerie expert started. So far I've trained over 3,000 women only on this particular topic. After this workshop, women end up saying that, oh, there is so much to this. I never thought, or I never gave so much of importance to my inner wear. I just wore it because we have to wear it. That's it. I never concentrated on what should be the fit, what should be the type, and so on and so forth. So especially mothers who come for this workshop, they usually say, oh, this is a lovely workshop. I want my daughter to attend this workshop. For me, half of my life is gone, but I don't want my daughter to make those same mistakes which I did in my initial age. So these both the professions that I've chosen, being an image consultant as well as being a lingerie expert, are very unique in itself. So the biggest challenge for me was making people understand कि ऐसा भी एक profession होता है, and I am an expert in this profession, and the most important is people has to pay for these services, because in India people are like, आप तो बस बात कर रहे हो ना, तो उस चीज का क्या पैसा? So in India it is very difficult for people to understand that consulting in itself is a profession, and it has to be a paid profession and not just a free thing कि बस वो तो आके बात ही करके गए ना. It shouldn't be that way. In itself was a very, very difficult task, and it really took a lot of time. It almost took 2 to 3 years to start monetizing the whole thing. And one thing that I have observed is, we become complacent very quickly, and we end up giving up on our dreams very quickly. We want to do a lot of things, but then managing family, managing this, managing that takes away a lot of time and energy, and then we just forget about dream. Apart from you being somebody's wife, you being somebody's mother, daughter, there has to be your individual identity. So the whole mantra to become successful was to be persistent and to be consistent. These two things were very, very important. So initially, like I said, I had to create a lot of awareness and then get clients who would pay for these services. So that was a quite a time consuming process. So I am glad that I didn't give up halfway. The most important thing is to believe in yourself, to have that conviction in your product and your services. So my dream or my larger picture is to at least transform 10 lakh lives and help these 10 lakh people to reach greater heights in their respective lives. That's my personal motto, my personal agenda. So I would also like to tell all the women watching our conversation that there is nothing called as perfection. Perfection is a myth. You will never reach that stage where you will know all of it. Knowing all of it again is a myth. So start where you are, start from there. Don't wait for perfection.